Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Let's do an unboxing on this Anker 737 Mag Pro charger, 3-in-1 charging station. So let's open it up. All right, we're gonna have to cut the cellophane. Let's cut the cellophane. Okay, let's get this off. Now we will have to, it has a little lip right there that you can peel that up with. And then we can open this. Lift the lid, let's see what comes in the box. All right, there's the charging station. Open it up from the bottom. Ooh, that looks nice. Open this up, we got some more cables and the charger, that's everything over there. All right, so here's an instruction manual, the wall charger, and the cable. That looks like everything. Okay, let's open up the wall charger. These come out so we can plug it in. So you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 3 amps for 15 watts, 9 volts, 3 amps for 27 watts, or 12 volts for 2.5 amps for 30 watts. Okay, so let's plug it in. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Just one output on the front. All right, let's plug this in around back. There's where you're gonna plug it in around back. There's what the bottom looks like. It's got a nice rubber gripper on the bottom. Now this will charge an Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch Ultra, and it sits on there. And yep, it does charge it. And there's a little bit of magnetism that's gonna help hold that. Now here's the iPhone 13 Pro Max with MagSafe case on it. Let's see. Yep, it does hold it. And it is charging it. So it's held on there with a magnet. You got to get it just right and it holds it. Pretty nice. And I can also charge my Airpods right here, down here. I don't have a set, but you'd place them right down there. There's a wireless charger right there. Okay, so with this cable, it does stick out the back a little bit. You're looking at about 6 inches with the iPhone, height-wise, 6 inches. You know, left to right with the Apple Watch, it's about 5 inches. Let's see, will it do it sideways? Probably not with the Apple Watch. So it does do it sideways and you get that clock display. That's pretty nice. And this is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. You know, the watch. So the watch looks like it's still charging. Yeah, it is. So you can charge the watch, and this is held on there with magnetism. It's a little tight, but it keeps charging the Apple Watch. That's pretty nice. As far as I know, there's no lights on this thing. Yeah, there's no like little night light or LED light. Right down here, there is a light you'll get once in a while that kind of tells you things, but it does go out. If everything's charging, it's a little strip light that will go out. Yeah, it says it comes on for 3 seconds and then goes out. Yeah, talks about the solid blue for 3 seconds and then off. That means it's connected to power. So it looks like if it's solid blue, it's also charging the wireless earbuds. If it's flashing blue, over or under voltage. Then here's kind of a chart. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.